Right guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a new year, it's 2023. We've had a shave, had a bit of a haircut, and we've got a new problem with the Civic. Of course, nothing changes really, does it? Anyway, came out to go to the shops, go to start it, and it works. Which is weird, because just now it didn't work. So, let's go back a step. There we go. So that horrible noise, proper weird. Don't know why that was happening. Right, so that was weird that started the first time. I came out earlier. And I had nothing, like absolutely nothing from the starter motor. So I had a little look under the bonnet and things don't look great under there. So the reason I said that was weird why it started was because I had a little look in here before getting the camera out for this video, and this is what I found. So down here, obviously you got the starter motor under all this shit. Well, this isn't plugged in. Well, it's not that it's not plugged in. It's just hanging there. Whatever that is it meant to be loose or hanging there? So yeah, we're gonna take that off, see what's going on. Right, so I'm gonna start by just getting this big airbox out of the way so I can actually get my hands in there. This pipe should there we go. That should squeeze off. A couple of 10mm bolts, and I think this should all lift up. Now this should just lift up. Oh, there we go. So you can see you got my nice crispy bits of car. Nice and crusty all around these bits, but never mind, we won't worry about that. So now I can actually see the starter motor there a bit easier. Yeah, so before we do all that, we're just going to disconnect our battery. Put a nice quick release thing on there the other day. Oh, look at that. Nice and easy. So weird how it's just come off. I'm going to get you in there. And you could just... oh, there you can just see it. Right, so that's been made a bit trickier by not being fitted, but that pulls off. Big nut under here. Oh. Obviously now I'm trying to twist this. It's quite tricky because it's not attached to anything. Oh, there's one. Nice. There you go. There's your solenoid that should be attached to something. Oh dear, but it's not. One bolt there, and there should be another one somewhere, which I suspect is on the underside of... Yes, there's another one where the solenoid should go. Right then, so I've got it out. Here's the solenoid. Obviously presses in and out. That presses on a little lever there, which in turn makes the starter gear engage or not. So in a traditional starter, that would be attached, but obviously not on a shitty old Civic. Why would that need to be attached? Right, yeah, so ignore the messy worktop and me holding it. This is what came out, what we've dropped on the floor, as well as this, which I think this bit is especially quite important. We are just missing, I think, just one of these. I'll probably, yeah. So yeah, we're just missing one of these. So I think that's the only bit I couldn't find. I did find a random spring, but obviously we've got our Halford stuff here. I don't think any of it's, long enough though. I think maybe these ones are the best match, but they're nowhere near long enough. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. I think everything else is too big, too chunky, and yeah, too short. So that's annoying. So I'm going to go pop that in B&Q, pick up another one of these. Right guys, so we're back from B&Q. Picked up a few of these bolts, same thread size, but I could either get too short or too long. See that there? Obviously not quite the right length. So we could either go for pop a nut on the end, which would make it the right length but would stick out further on the starter motor side. Or we can go for cutting one of these down 5mm using like the Dremel or something like that, which I think is probably my preference. So cut one of these down. Right, so what might be unusual here is I've actually got possibly the right tool for the job here. Cutting down these bolts, I've got a Dremel, got it all laid out on the side, and I've got the perfect workspace, the floor, of course. So yeah, it'll be alright, we won't tell Sarah, things will be perfect, right? Ah, it's hot, ow. I should have guessed. It's not my first time doing this. There we go, right, hopefully camera was on record for that. Right, so that's the end cut off. Probably give it a bit of a tidy up. Yes, this is a good test. See if Sarah watched my videos, see if she notices the what gives me a bollocking later on for the floor. Yeah, so that bolt there, pretty much spot on. Tidy up after yourself. Your girlfriend will never know unless she watches your videos, and she might give me a bollocking later on, but we'll see. Hopefully not, chaps? We can, you should. One like that. Right. There we go, right. That springy bit can go up in there. You can slide into there. Now these spring bits, there's a couple of holes I think that goes into. Where's your round this go? Like that. Yeah, so that slides up into there. Come on, in you get, lad. And then that metal thing should slide into that hole, and there's the other side. Yeah, so get it up into that hole in there. Come on. Like that, right? So push it together. Get our, I know you can't see a lot of my hand in the way. Tightened. Just tighten this one down. Not going to bother bench testing it, but hopefully cool. So that's in. Right, so we're back at the car. Got my starter motor. Losing the light here in the UK. Yeah, I'm going to try and get it back in here with the little light I've got. So yeah, I will catch up with you once it's in, fitted, and hopefully working. Gotta move quick, it's getting dark. Right then, lights coming down, as you'd expect. 5 PM on a winter's day. But yeah, back together. So let's give it a go. Oh, it's beauty. Cheers for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time, hopefully. Yeah, if you like this, do the like and subscribing thing, because that's what YouTubers like to see. Eventually they might pay me to work on my own car, which would be nice, rather than me paying other people when I can't do it. Yeah, catch you next time, guys. Cheers for watching.